Ozone is depleting, Amazon is burning, Antarctica is melting. The pollution in the air, Galler, is all this less to implore? The rains feel like the earth is crying apart. The roots and tubers are sobbing from beneath the earth. Is all this its worth? Hello everybody, it's Pariti Pradhan and today I'll be presenting on the topic causes of ozone depletion and its impact on human life and other living organisms. Before that, I would like to introduce what is ozone layer. The ozone layer is the natural gas layer of the upper atmosphere that protects humans and other living organisms from the harmful copies of the sun's ultraviolet rays. Ozone is present in low concentrations in the atmosphere, but most, about 90%, is in the stratosphere, 10 to 50 km from the Earth's surface. The ozone layer is very important to live on Earth as it filters most of the sun's harmful UV rays. Scientists discovered in the 1970s that the ozone was depleting. The concentration of ozone in the atmosphere changes naturally with the temperature, climate, latitude and altitude, and substances released by natural events such as volcanic eruption and also affect ozone layer. However, these natural phenomena cannot explain the observed consumption levels. Scientific evidence suggests that certain man-made chemicals are the cause. These ozone-depleting substances were used primarily in consumer and industrial fields in the 1970s, primarily refrigerators, air conditioners, and fire extinguishers. Now we know that the ozone is depleting. Let's see what causes the ozone depletion. The depletion of the ozone layer occurs when the natural balance between the production and destruction of stratospheric ozone is disrupted. Although natural phenomena can cause ozone depletion, human activities such as chlorofluorocarbons are now considered to be the main cause of the depletion. Another major cause of large-scale ozone depletion is rocket launches. Studies have shown that unregulated rocket launches cause more depletion than CFC. It is estimated that if the rocket launch is not regulated, it will cause a huge loss of ozone than the CFCs caused in 2050. Global warming also leads to ozone depletion. Depletion of the ozone layer is most severe in Antarctica. It occurs mainly in the late winter and early spring, that is from August to November, and peak consumption usually occur in early October, when ozone is often destroyed on a large scale. The severe depletion has created the so-called ozone hole, which can be seen in the Antarctic ozone image using satellite observations. In most years, the largest area of the hole is larger than the Antarctic continent itself. Most ozone-depleting substances emitted by human activities will stay in the stratosphere for decades, which means that the recovery of the ozone layer is a very extended and very slow process. Ozone depletion is affecting human health and the environment negatively, as it allows the penetration of UV radiation to reach the Earth. Studies have shown that increased ultraviolet B rays lead to an increased risk of skin cancer and play an important role in the development of malignant melanoma, skin sunburn, rapid aging, eye cataracts, blindness, weak immune systems, changes in DNA structures, and reduction in oxygen. Ozone depletion not only affects human beings but also other animal life, such as UV radiation hurt plants and crops. It can lead to minimal plant growth, smaller leaves, flowering, and photosynthesis of plants, and reduced quality of human crops. This decline in plant productivity will in turn affect soil erosion and the carbon cycle. Direct exposure to ultraviolet radiation can also cause skin cancer and eye cancer in animals. Plankton and zooplankton are highly affected by UVB radiation. It has done a huge impact on the marine ecosystem. The ozone layer is rapidly diminishing, which is an extremely concerning problem in today's world. Ozone depletion is mostly caused by chlorofluorocarbons, and these compounds should be banned or replaced so that we can protect ourselves from the damaging effect of UV radiation in the future, and we should plant more trees. The Montreal Protocol on Substances that Eat the Layer is a world agreement created in 1987. It had been designed to prevent the assembly and import of gas-depleting substances and scale back their concentration with the atmosphere to assist shield the Earth's ozone layer. Ozone layer, the World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16 each year to draw attention to the depletion of the ozone layer. This year, World Ozone Day is themed Ozone for Life. Ozone for life itself means that ozone is needed for life, so we have to save it. I would like to sign up with this. Thank you.